Freaky Wing Friday.
And if it's Friday, you better get freaky! Freaky Wing Friday!
Oh. All right. Yo, left, right. They're going to war. Watermelon hot, baby. Watermelon hot. Caliente, or no, what do we call it? I messed the name up last time. So I gotta make sure I get that right. Watermelon Picante Wings. Wings. Watermelon Picante Wings. All right, we got the freaky wings. Here's the sauce. Oh, 6 freakies, huh? Right off start the day off strong. 10:15, baby. That's a good start to a Friday. 2 6 tops. Right off the bat. Not for you. I get it. You don't want to hear that. I get it. All right, get some water for this. I know. You know what's crazy is when I did the video and I ate the wing for Freaky Wing Friday, wings at 6 o'clock. I'm like, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it this morning. What's up, buddy? You doing takeout? Dining in?
I'm gonna do takeout.
Huh?
I love your TikTok videos.
Thank you.
I watch you all the time.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Outstanding.
Thank you.
I'm dying to get in here.
Okay. There's a menu right there. Sit and browse. We also got barbecue sliders, pork, chicken, or brisket, and then today is Freaky Wing Friday, so we come up with the new wing sauce. We got watermelon picante wings today too.
Okay. You know what? 2 of each one of those.
2 of each?
And then you guys have sweet tea or
Yes, we do.
sweet
We got both. All right. Let's see. Special.
Yeah, my son lives here in town. I'm up in Anthem.
Okay.
And I'm always down here at the hardware store, but I'm here at 6, 7 o'clock
Yep.
in the morning.
Yep.
And I'm like, fuck it, I'm in town. I'm going by and at least get some to try.
Yes, sir. I appreciate that. Oh yeah, we got full bar. Yeah. Yeah. Full beer. Yeah. We got a beer list too. These are all of our beers too.
Become my new.
Just saying. Yes, sir. Oh. Still waking up, huh? Bro, was that not the greatest Hall of Fame game ever?
I mean, it was a legitimate football game.
Yeah. Well, see, I'm a diehard Cowboys fan.
Okay.
So, and
I won't hold that against you.
I remember I used to always watch Carson Beck when he played for Georgia, and then when he played for Miami. So he's used to the big games. So I was pretty pumped that the Cardinals got him.
Dude, he looks so good.
I think that's a smart thing too. I mean, that guy's been in so many big games.
Oh, and
so many
I'm
big
games.
games.
My 13-year-old, my 13-year-old going, yeah, that's fucked up. You shouldn't have drafted Drew Allen. You should have drafted that guy. He was there when you, and I'm like, okay, dude, I'm not running the team. I'm sorry.
I know. Because we could all look back and be like, damn, we should have done that and done this. But yeah, dude, it was a hell of a game. I really enjoyed that. It was like you said, it was an actual football game.
Actual football game.
Yeah,
You know?
it was good. It was good. I really enjoyed it. I'm glad football's back.
Oh, God, so. Take out.
Take out.
You like my sign?
I get it now. You want to show the camera what you made? Recycled green paper.
Can we get this window tinted?
No, they won't tint it.
Why?
Because it's a single pane window. And when the sun comes up, it'll heat up so much, it'll crack and break the window. We ain't doing that.
Why would it heat up if it was tinted? Wouldn't it?
When the sun hits it,
Yeah.
you ever felt your car window?
But I've been inside my car and it's cooler inside.
Have you felt your car window on the outside? Yeah, you should feel it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I got branded by my seatbelt.
Branded. Okay, this is your table one's takeout.
I knew.
Did you? Why are you so tired?
We went to bed at like 2 in the morning.
2? What are you doing out at 2 in the morning?
Dancing! I thought we could open.
You are 19 years old and you're out at 2 a.m.
That's what happens.
That's what happens?
I'm not drinking.
Sure.
Jeez.
What do you, like, you serve water? They serve water? What,
I mean, I know some people that work there, so give me some of this for free.
they give you sodas? Is there people there that drink? How do they determine? You gotta put wristbands on? That's not a wristband, that's an X.
That means no. That means no alcohol.
Did you not wash that off?
I tried scrubbing it. He used like that guy I was telling you about. He was like a freaking.
I bet you didn't.
I bet I did.
I don't think you did. That's not scrubbing. Get in there. Look, it's coming right off. Oh my God.
It was taking my spray tan off, bro. It's literally taking my spray tan off.
So that's why you don't take showers.
I take showers. I've literally washed my hands. I didn't like take a freaking towel.
Maybe go wash up.
I'm not dirty. That's spray tan and marker. That's not dirty.
Wait, okay. What about that?
That's from literally last night.
And you still had that X from what night?
The night before.
They make these things, I don't know what they're called. They're like, the girls use them. They're like loofahs, lupa, or whatever they're called. Soap, body wash.
I don't need hygiene tips.
I'm just saying. Obviously, you kind of do.
Oh.
Yeah, like maybe something like Axe.
Axe? Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
No. Men's cologne. $8 spray. You know what my brother did to me one time?
Old Spice makes like some good soap.
I use a deodorant. You know what my brother did to me one time? Took a zip tie and like sprayed the Axe and just threw it in my room. And then locked me in there. Like he just like held the door shut. I cannot be within like 10 feet of someone wearing Axe. Cause it was like I was like hyperventilating at that point. An entire can.
That's a rough smell.
Yeah. You just walk in junior high, you just walk past the men's locker room. It's so bad.
That's how I know you're 12 when you reference, when you walk by the men's locker room. I haven't seen a locker room in 30 years.
You don't go to the gym?
No, fine. This is my gym. We're here. This is the gym. Oh, yes, it is.
It's not a gym.
Okay. Wait till we trade places. You're coming in at 3.
Let me log in the wood. Is that what you do? Is that your exercise?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're a lumberjack?
Lift pans of mac and cheese.
Are you serious? Let's put that in.
Racks of ribs.
There's nowhere the ribs would be this high.
Yeah, I bend down, I grab it out of the fridge, put it on, and bench press them.
No, you don't.
Yeah,
No.
that's the gym.
No.
Yeah, it's everything. 24/7.
would not.
You're behind barbecue gym. All the videos you sent me? You don't think you look like a zombie in those?
You're so mean.
How's
You're
it
literally
mean?
just recording, making fun of me, and just gonna post it on the internet.
No, I'll just chop it up. Wait till I get. I'm telling you, the wing video. It's gonna be great.
If I
Like music in the background, like da 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 da, da, and you're just like. I'll show it to you first, or send it to you. You'll automatically tell me no. No, it's not. It's funny. Like I'll have a good caption, like what happens, you know, when you try the wings at Your Behind Barbecue, you don't try wings anywhere else, and you just your face is like. I watched a video of a guy making fun of these two dudes like went to some restaurant, some sports bar, and they ordered wings. The guy ordered a knife, or got a knife with his wings, and the guy's like just clowning on him the whole time because he's got a fork, and he's just like.
Yeah.
And the guy's like, dude, there's bones in there. He's like, yeah, I know, but I don't want it all over my face. So
That's so weird.
it's very
My
weird.
sister used to do that with corn. I thought that was weird.
Corn?
Yeah.
No, it's not
Corny
weird.
on the
A lot of
bone.
people do it. Whoa,
Go ahead, Bob.
I love getting in your way. All right. Is he gonna call when he's here? I'm assuming.
He's already here.
Oh, he's here.
He's sitting outside in the parking lot across in a gray Volkswagen Passat.
Oh, okay.
Have a good day.
We're just country boys and girls getting down on the farm.
How's your morning been?
Oh, it's been a good morning. It's been good. Nice and quiet. Life is good.
I still haven't made it down here for breakfast on Sundays. You guys do that this week?
Oh yeah, we do it every Sunday. It's getting more popular and popular and popular. So, which is good. Because back in the day when we first opened, Sundays were, because everybody told me, it's like, don't open on Sundays. Everybody's closed. People still got to eat. Where do people eat at?
Exactly.
So,
Because that's like the only place
oh,
down here open.
yeah.
I mean, well, Cowboys open, but as far
They,
as not a bar.
they weren't, when we started opening on Sundays, they weren't open on Sundays. They were closed. Because everybody told me, don't open, don't open,
like
don't
Mount
open.
Athos is closed on Sundays.
Mm-hmm.
L&B's is closed on Sundays.
Mm-hmm.
L&B's is closed on Sundays?
Yeah.
And that's starting to be a extreme busy day for us. Which is good. We get the after church crowd. Perfect. Yeah, every Friday's a new wing sauce. Every Saturday we have a special. We do different every Saturday. And then Wednesdays we do pig wings. Yeah. So there's pretty much every day there's a special. We got something going on. All right, amigo. You have a good day today. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Hey, Carson Beck looked good last night, huh?
Regular, spicy.
Carson Beck looked good, huh?
Regular.
Did you see that? I mean, they've been putting him down in first.
Just gonna ask for
I've been
your
fun.
signature.
I'm a diehard Cowboys fan, not a Cardinals fan at all, right?
My wife is.
But I've been watching him in college when he played for Georgia, and then when he went to Miami,
Miami, yeah.
watch him play there, and I was like, this kid's gonna be all right. And he's played in big games. And I was pretty impressed.
I was too.
I was pretty, and that was a damn good game last night too.
Actually, well, I mean, they lost, but it was really good.
It was still a good game. It wasn't like normal preseason game where it's like, all right, I'm done with this.
Nah, I'm going.
Yeah, it was very good. Yeah, it was a great game last night.
You take care of
Yes, sir. You too, buddy. Go Cowboys. Just kidding.
my wife. Love that. Just kidding. It doesn't come up. Oh. Big fan.
Did you guys watch the game here? My boy Carson Beck tore it up. How's everything tasting so far, boys?
Really good.
It's all right?
Really
Cool,
good.
cool, cool. All right, so how's everything tasting over here?
Good as always.
Okay, all right.
So, Pig Wing Wednesday, it's only Wednesday.
Every Wednesday we do that. And then Friday we do Freaky Wing Friday. So I come out with a new wing sauce every Friday. And then we'll run that either the whole day Friday or it'll linger into like Saturday, Sunday, just depending how it does. And then that's gone. And then Saturday we do a new special every Saturday. So we're doing corn ribs again because everybody got mad at me last week because, well, we did 62 orders and we were out by 1:30, well, about 12:30, 1 o'clock, we were out. So it's like, what I try to always tell people too is everything here is fresh. We start at 2 in the morning and we make everything for that day at 2 a.m. And once we're out of something, we're out. Like we don't hold anything or reheat up ribs, 3 day, we don't do any of that. I want everything fresh. It's probably not the smartest thing to do, but
It is.
food is fresh. You have fresh food every time. So, and when we do specials, it's just tough to do a special knowing, is it going to do well or is it not going to do well?
Right.
So,
I just didn't realize the pig wings were only Wednesday.
only Wednesdays, yes ma'am.
And I want you to bring the Reuben back.
I know, that is coming. That'll be back, of course. That's like a staple here.
And the watermelon picante wings, are they hot?
They're not too hot. No, I don't think so. My issue is when we do these Freaky Wing Fridays, I try to make ones that are like hot, that has a kick. So we'll make the sauce and it tastes like, okay, boom, it's got a kick, we're good. You put it on chicken wings, the heat goes away, it's gone. I know, it's a mystery that we sit back here and try to play with, so yeah, every Wednesday.
Kathy DeRosa.
Kathy, nice to meet you, I'm Kyle. Yes ma'am, nice to meet you, buddy, I'm Kyle.
And I'm always commenting on your posts.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you. You guys have a great day. Thank you. I appreciate that. How is everything over here? Is all right? Wow, you got to come back tomorrow, see if we did better. Good. What's up, buddy? How are you? Doing all right? You dining in?
Yeah.
All right. Just you?
Yeah.
Cool. So how do we judge Freaky Wing Friday? How do we judge it? Well, who orders? Mr. Garrett. Oh, shit. Always Mr. Garrett. If Mr. Garrett orders, we know Freaky Wing Friday gonna be all right. Because I'll get a text, or he'll send me a message on Facebook and tell me if it was good or not.
No shot.
Yeah, it's good. He's a loyal Freaky Wing Friday man.
Bro, that's awesome.
He's loyal. What's up, ladies? You girls picking up?
Yeah.
Cool. Now, you know it's a good success when everyone's like, oh, you should add this to the menu. If we added every Freaky to the menu, it would be extremely bad. We'd have 200 sauces. Yeah. Wade's eyes. Table 2. Beat you to it.
Do the freak off bus. We got to do a social media thing. 5 sauces on the stage.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Freaky Wing Friday!
All right, that's a wrap on Freaky Wing Friday. How'd we do?
Pretty good, bud.
It was okay?
Pretty fucking good.
Wade, it was all right? All right. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.